listen. This is the assignment now you need to do. It's a 2 minutes assignment. After that I will give you another one elaborate work. First, this 2-minute assignment. Describe all the qualities of your outer identity. One side. Other side, all the qualities of your inner identity. What you feel as you, what you project as you. Like a quality, one by one, you write. Then we will have a fight between these two. Whatever this one does not want in him, remove. Whatever that one does not want in him, remove. Then finally, there will be few qualities both want in each other. When you align, identity will disappear. You will live that easy-going life. What is easy-going life? Not having any weight while you do all your life. That's all. Not having any weight while you live your life. Not having either fear or worry or weight or anxiety. When all this is not there, naturally you are not there, then who is there? Because you always identified yourself only with all these things. When I became enlightened, first thing I felt is, oh God, I am lost. Whom I used to remember as me is not there anymore. Somebody else is sitting. But that somebody else, when I settled with him, I realized only this is me. Earlier the guy who was there only is somebody else. Let's do this assignment. Your outer identity and inner identity. Describe like qualities. Outside, I show myself courageous and I am rich. Outside, how you project, I am rich. Inside you may be feeling, no, I am poor. Outside you will be showing as if you are a spendthrift, you spend, you are charitable and all that. Inside you know, I am a miser, I don't touch. Listen. Now whatever you have written, can you cancel the qualities which the other part is affecting? See, if there is something in inner identity which outer identity does not like or does not reflect, cancel that. If something outer, the inner identity does not like, does not fall in tune, cancel. Finally, you will see only one or very few qualities where the other person does not fight. When you start living those few, you will just live without identity. Means in easiness. We'll start the Kriya. Understand? This Kriya is mainly to awaken the non-mechanical parts of your brain to align both the identities. So the posture is Batta Batmasana. I don't know how many of you will be able to do. Try. All of you are able to see? Project ma. If you can't do, at least sit in Padmasana and put the hands behind. See, basically, when you move your body to that posture, your nervous system gets aligned so that when I awaken the Kundalini, it floods through that particular channel. Without using your hands, now you have to control your breathing by the will. It's actually a process to raise the power of your will. The willpower is required to align the inner and outer identity. Ready? Inhale through left and exhale through right. No. You are going to do it and you can do it. You can. It is basically, that is why your hands are locked. Understand? See, the process is expected to teach you willpower. You can train willpower through the breath, the controlling of the breath. Inhale through left and exhale through right without using the fingers. No hands. You will not use the hands to control the nostril. No. And listen, inhaling through left, exhaling through right, then inhaling through right, exhaling through left. A simple Nadi Shodhana, but through willpower. Start. Close your eyes. Decide. After all, your body, your breathing, you can control. In that same posture, hum intensely. Your whole navel should vibrate with that humming. Your whole abdomen should vibrate with that humming. Hum as deeply as possible. While inhale, hum. While exhaling, hum. It is called Brahmari Pranayama. Do it as deeply as possible and as intensely as possible. Sit in silence, keeping the awareness on your third eye, between the brows, eyebrows, in the brow center, but retain the same posture. Be in the same yoga posture. Bring only your awareness. To the third eye. You can open your eyes. So now, half an hour break. It's 1:31. So 2:1 will gather. Let's gather for next session. Thank you.